yourself. Let's keep quiet. Let's keep quiet.
My name is Elisha Andrea Damaso Argente. I want to be accountant like my mom and daddy. I am 5 years old. Today is my birthday.
Now the birthday girl will do finger mathematics. Your
May ano mo na?
daddy will
May, go na.
be the one to ask questions.
Oh, May. May. Kinabahan ako.
Finger mathematics. Ano ba na lang? Naka-ready. Alright, your mother will ask the questions.
25 plus 4 plus minus 9 equals accountant talaga.
Dali-dali ka calculator ko kung Another question.
No, ate. No. Don't push, ate.
9 plus 50 minus 4 equals
And the last question.
plus you want more? 8 plus 80 minus 50 equals
Okay.
Walang prize later.
Okay.
And now she will sing a song to us.
oh wow
Oh. Try everything, ate. No, sige.
Wait for the ministration.
Smile here, ate. Alap, mami. Alap ka.
Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get off. Nobody cares, we just let it wrong. How he fought, no one can be, sorry,
Okay,